we are sitting here while I'm waiting for you in the house. I'll beat you to come here. Why you such a bad girl? Such a bad girl. Oh, every day. Oh, Ansah. Oh. Ansah. Why you over? Oh, you sober. Hey, she, we am Benya Cabenza. I now like what you that true him. No who time penny who. Me Open your penny. What's the maybe a penny? Give me a penny. Come here. What? Listen. No good time. Concerning. Yes, I'm a mammy from. Now, couldn't cry. Okay. What your mom crop?
What is it? Is somebody dead?
Our mother dead. If it hadn't been for the timely intervention of the Almighty, Santo would have butchered me to death.
Santo will kill me today. Where's Santo? Santo! I don't know. Hey, Santo! Did you threaten to kill my wife? Hey, Santo! I said, did you threaten to kill my wife?
You are all quite slam and I said you are teaching what?
I said, did you threaten to kill my wife?
Oh, why me? One said you are waiting back at your wife. I am a yak, so this is kind of bum fee. 1 year. Shammy bomb Sukano. And I'm who said, wow, back a kuno, or baba a kuno. Now, what concerns you said, yes, you. We didn't see one soon swap. Why not give me the cat and I'm a copata and I'm a jab of friend flew in 7. Well, you didn't man, I know swap. What's in me a penny? And you want your car, means we can reach them. Why not we just run your poor? And just how we never come beside you. That's all doom you. When I'm don't, said John. Oh, Banswa with the Sika never. And I wouldn't say Sika, me will be one of them. Who buy any of them to Sika, Sanka Koyasem. See, a millibias or you never come in which you are. Yeah, drink. Who did I am quite well, Emma? What's it? I know Papa saying I'm smuggling.
Santo, I'm very, very sorry.
I'm Pamecho of our myself. I'm so bad, Jimmy. Suffer with Jimmy. Who did I am crying who answer? Foolish. Oh, but I know I wouldn't be in the first hour of the because you yeah. When in Nancy, I look out to Musu Abana Transo. Now, maybe I'm a cat at you, classic I'm from fear. I bet you have a mimi fear. Now, mention me Bogra Dam Namisi Canibia. Akwe, the man who cock and say, Major Jam. Ah, what are you for? Why? Unquasi any more tickets at the Owusu Yasli. I fell a man to Buafu, South Africa. I mean, trouble soon. I do a mob. We are foolish, papa. Wow, and I'm saying, we didn't know in a wound. Shall call a person or the other front of us. I mean, my job of Flana, who the Sika to me view. Yamiabu, yes, I found you. Yes, it is. Your cast were Jimmy and were Jimmy. Well, I buy that for you, alone to you. Who can't buy the foolish man. That your words your Fukrano. Your man of Ramisi. You see a empty. Akwe. I tell me, I know about the kind. I tell you, I say yes.
Mommy, I'm tired. I can't read again.
Mommy, I'm also tired. I'm going to rest.
You can have the rest of the water to drink. You shall be going home soon, okay? What do you think you're doing? Who do you want to wait for you?
Mommy, I just want to stretch my body.
Come on, weed! Come and get
Mommy, I have headache. Add mine to your fluid.
Mommy, I am tired. I can't carry any load.
I could best your mama. It's a good na home woman. Count, I dear, yes. Kutu. I shall ye, and that's ye. And that's ye. My name is when you catch that. Eh, premium cake.
Where's your mother and Eku?
They are coming.
Ata, welcome. How is Eku?
She's coming.
Ata! Ata! Why did you give all this load to Eku alone to carry?
But who should carry the load for her?
Ah! What of Akwesin Kuma in a child?
They said they're not feeling well.
Ata! But nothing about them shows that they're not feeling well. Even if they're not feeling well, you should have reduced the load for Eku.
Reduce the load for her? Were you not sitting here when we were going to the farm? Who do you want to carry the load for you and Aku?
Ata! Me not make us no. Aso. I don't understand why people keep bothering me about my inability to have a child. Every time we go for council meeting, they don't respect my views just because I don't have a child.
That is why I've been advising you to consider a second wife.
Aso. Hey, Aso.
Look.
Aso, what is the matter with you? Huh? Why can't you leave Ata and her child alone? Aso, then? Huh? Hey, after all, is it not just a pot?
Oh.
Huh? Oh my God. Aso. Aso. Nonsense.
Ata! Where is Akwesin Kuma?
Do you have to say Akwesin Kuma before you tell me whatever you have come to tell me?
Look at what he's done to my daughter. Ata, look. He's hit her with a stick.
Is my son mad to be hitting everybody he meets on the way? Have you asked her what she did to him before he did this to her?
Hey, Ata. Is that what you're telling me?
Oh, me just trying to
I'll report you to death.
But she will just not go.
I just don't know what has come over at her these days. I've been advising her several times. But I just don't know.
Also, these days I don't like the treatment Ata has been given to Eku. Anytime I talk to her about it, she won't take it. Also, Eku is always sad.
Don't worry, Opani. I'll come over and talk to her, okay?
Mamiata, this woman has complained to us that your son, Akwesin Kuma, has beaten her daughter and nearly broke her nose. And when she came to you to complain, you insulted her. Is that true?
It's not true. She has never come to my house.
Ata, come here no unkanokwe.
William Quantum Pony Nabrabani. We just send your mammy Hoka Wabwa. Fair, who cry with you how to cry when your son, someone in our body. You probably body me, or therefore.
Santo is taking this thing too personal. We must go to the facts.
Kwadonto, obetrase. Ono onyano. A ode wekasa, oyemu. Emma suma wa. Messenger for woman.
Hey, look here. We are warning you this time. If your son does it again, we will deal with him as the law suggests.
Yeah, suggest woman.
Many years right now. My fire to sell down.
Mamiata. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah, Pastor. So I offer you a seat.
Oh no, don't bother yourself.
What brings you here so late, Pastor?
Well, Atta, it has come to my notice that you are not treating Aku well of late. But I want to assure you that God blesses those who take care of the needy. Look,
Aku needs a mother. She needs a mother at the moment. And such children are always a blessing to those who take care of them. Ata, if you do that, God will bless you one day. Okay?
Yes, Pastor. Thank you, Pastor, for your advice.
All right. I would like to take leave.
Let me see you all right.
So we just...
Ata, I'm going to Nyamebeche to see Coco Krachi, the one I was talking about. I'll be back today.
Okay, take care.
Okay. I can't tell you why I know Udia impulse you. Why?
Oh, you.
Yeah, man, chinning to me, no what?
Echo. Echo. Echo.
Mommy.
How many times do you want me to call you before you answer me?
I was cleaning Papa's room.
A China question Kruma have gone to visit my sister Asantewa. As soon as they come back, give them their food. When you finish tidying your father's room, go to the farm for the firewood. When you come back, wash these clothes. And don't forget to fill the barrel. It's almost empty. Your father will come back. Prepare food for him. Do you hear?
Where is our food, Aku? I haven't finished washing. Can't you cook the food? He wants me to do everything for you.
I will report you to Mommy when she returns.
Aku, has your father come?
Oh, Mom.
And you're still here sitting with the washing? Akwesi Nkrumah.
Mommy.
What you saying?
Mommy, Aku did not give us food.
You didn't give them their food? Didn't I tell you to give them their food? Huh? Every time I send you, you don't want to do it. You will see what I'll do to you this evening. Stupid girl. I won't give you your food this evening, you'll see. Nonsense.
Eku. Eku. Why are you sleeping here? Huh? Why are you sleeping here?
Papa, this morning, Mommy gave a lot of work. She said I should go for firewood from the farm, fetch water, do washing and cook for a China question Nkrumah. Because I couldn't cook, she beat me and denied me supper and asked me not to sleep in the room.
What?
Open it.
I think it would be advisable to attend this festival. Who knows? You could be lucky to meet a responsible woman to choose as a second wife who could bear children.
So, I don't want anybody to come and disturb our peace.
I know.
You know I love you very much.
No, but...
I don't want a second wife to come and worry you.
Oh no, Opini, no. There are some responsible women in this village who would understand our situation. Look at Opini Menu. He chose a second wife and they are living happily. I hope this woman will understand. Opini, so please think about it. Please.
Think about it.
Maybe want to pay. And I'm want to pay. Patch up pay. Fucking man, you do a man of fire. Open the door, you open who Mamedino. But Bodam for Waka. Consider that Jimmy Abawa. No cream Hannah Capel.
Ata, I'm fed up with you. If you think you can no longer take care of Aku, let her come and stay with me. And I don't know why Adetu can't even put his foot down.
Awu, all that you have been hearing is not true. I don't know why the people are envious of Aku staying with me.
Okay. If what I'm hearing is not true, then keep to your promises of taking good care of Aku for me, right?
I will. Thank you.
Eku, what happened? Huh? Come here, China, Cousin Kruma. Why did you trample on Eku's clothes? You're a bad boy. Foolish boy.
He threw away our clothes.
So?
You can't beat me. I'm not your son. A child is your daughter. You can discipline her.
If your son has now realized that I'm not his father, he also ceases to be my son.
Penny Pacho.
He should go and find his own father. I am no more prepared to live with him under the same roof again.
Penny Pacho.
I have spoken.
Penny Fanny Bonnet channel. Penny, Aqualajan in the night was stressed while your papa and champion. Oh, please forgive me.
Ata!
Oh, please.
Ata!
Nana, you are now a man. In my absence, you will take control. You must be courageous, respectful, intelligent, and courteous. If you respect your subjects, they will in turn respect you. A leader does not open his mouth to talk anyhow.
Thank you. Therefore, I would never disappoint you.
Ata. Me ba wonche.
Aha, any pa church na.
Me here konya. Me here konya. Oba kwese kroma wai.
Aye obani bia.
Me busam so ayem bibi. O niema wo ye kroma wo woni ntia. Woni ntia. Se sioto no wa hu a. Aha, awia boy yes want say ho hihye. Me busam. Wonte. Obra wo bokrom a, woni ntia. Men catch us at Tobo. Men catch me. What? Me my say Francis proceed. I dear men pray. And me pacha. What? Me in what the media grown. A year no. I will be away yaseno. Now back was Kruma. No na me mafu. And what you trouble dear. Kachano. So anima already here. What the media grown. Kachano. So kokosa or kosa some chrome. Next one could draw. No shame you that sir. What is it necessary some no one running me out?
Na Miss Ramina Baka.
Let's have it. Usuma born in Adia Wobano. Me Usuma Juku or say Japadia Wayamabian or Project 50. Men Casasa Nation. Cachano. Cachano. What? Cachano. Or Familia Gro. Cachano. 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 Unima. Cachano.
Go, did you? Nana. I'm talking to you. You are looking somewhere else.
Kwame, did you look at the lady who just passed?
Yes, Nana. Why? Anything wrong?
Yes. Where does she stay? Does she come from this village?
Yes, of course.
She's wonderful. To tell you the truth, my heart skipped a beat as soon as I saw her.
Look, do you know Openyini Ade? That girl is his daughter. Yes.
She's wonderful.
You like her?
I think I do.
So what about Mensa?
And it's I wouldn't be and said it. No money to Saka, Mrika Crabby. No man, Yabashaya. Safa Shayara, that's a Braya Bechay. Safa Shayara Muna Nana. I am no faster than AGYA Prampe. Obawari. Obiara Bababia, what quantum. Mamma Cran, no more Fashayasi. So I'm Nana, no one faster, what you yet see. You was a babadi in Namukroma. You knew better than said him last year. Mosampo. That's it, that's what Matio. And it's a Obianitia. Sakabritia, be no man, Yabashafa. Safa Shaya, Yabashan, when I was dreaming. Any brother, Sibrad, my pamper, and yet none of us are over. Obiana, baby, I want control. Baba de Crano Nombra. So a man and our reality. You was a man in them from her. You do get this idea not here. Mosampa.
Kasua.
Hey.
Arthur, what are you doing here this evening?
Arthur, you know my presence means good news. I heard yesterday Nana Prempe has decided to choose Aku at the festival.
But that's very good news, Kasua. Thank you very much.
Don't mention.
When you go, send my greetings to your husband.
I'll tell him.
Tell him not to forget my grass cutter.
You'll hear of it.
Eku. Why not a charm? No way.
Ago! Ago!
Who is it? Come in. Hey, Kwame.
Good day, oh, mommy.
Good day, Kwame. You have never been here before.
Oh, yes.
What brings you to my humble home?
Mommy, I'm looking for Aku.
Aita!
Mommy.
Bring a chair.
Oh, thank you.
Mommy, it's good that you have come here. I need your favor.
I see.
I understand that Nana Prempe wants to marry Aku.
Oh, yes.
No. He doesn't know her like I do. She's rude, she's lazy, and has got no respect for anybody. Acha, her sister, is the better choice. Kwame, this is the favor I want from you. Nana Prempe is your best friend. I want you to talk to him to change his mind and marry Acha instead.
Well, I will beg of leave then.
Acha!
Mommy.
Acha, see? Coming up.
You see, Kwame, Mommy is right. Aku is just a bad girl.
Will you shut up? Look, I'm not interested in all that rubbish you and your mother were saying about Aku. Nonsense. Nana Prempe is not interested in you. Please, leave me alone. Sia, mekura mpe ona Nana Prempe. Me dey free many so ko. Sia, but free many so ko.
Mommy. Mommy,
what's the matter?
It embarrassed me. You said we are only saying rubbish about Aku.
Nana Prempe is determined to marry Aku. We shall see. Unless I'm not alive, we shall see. Oh.
Kindly wash them for me. I'm visiting my auntie.
No! I can no longer do your washing for you. It's high time you did your own washing. Who will wash your things for you when you are married?
Shut up and do as she has asked you to. Don't you realize she's your sister? And since when have you started talking about marriage? Nana Prempe, who has been putting this nonsense into your head, isn't it?
Eku, what happened? Huh? Call me a China cuisine. Why did you jump on Eku's clothes? You're a bad boy. Foolish boy.
She threw away our clothes.
So?
You can't beat me. I'm not your son. A child is your daughter. You can discipline her.
Aku!
Mommy!
How many times do you want me to call you before you answer me?
I was cleaning Papa's room.
A child and a question Kruma have gone to visit my sister Asantewa. As soon as they come back, give them their food. When you finish tidying your father's room, go to the farm for the firewood. When you come back, wash these clothes. And don't forget to fill the barrel. It's almost empty. Your father will come back. Prepare food for him. Do you hear?
Where is our food, Aku? I haven't finished washing. Can't you cook the food? He wants me to do everything for you.
I will report you to Mommy when she returns.
Aku, has your father come? And you're still here sitting with the washing? Akwesi Nkrumah. To saying.
Mommy, Aku did not give us food.
Huh. You didn't give them their food? Didn't I tell you to give them their food? Huh? Every time I send you, you don't want to do it. You will see what I'll do to you this evening. Stupid girl. I won't give you your food this evening, you'll see. Nonsense.
Mommy, I think you are over-pampering a child. She doesn't do anything that I know will affect her future. You over-pampering of Akwesi Nkrumah led to his lunatic behavior that you can't even trace his whereabouts.
Stupid girl.
Anansi sensu.
Sensuwa.
Papa bio. Ena wo baba baako. Nwone ne tie. Ena duru se ne baba ne so anwaye. Obi aba so be wai papa yi be ya papa yi se mempene. Abrantie bi fi kru tintin bi so baa so be wai ne be. Papa yi de ne be ma ne wai. Ababa yi kwa wai ya.
Owusu a, kukuru ho fini sansani o wa henifa.
Papa. Want me frame me kunu ko fini sansani o. Wo be ma adai.
Owusu a, e de na ba so. Be me wo wo mfie aduonu yi. E de na waye. Se nkwada yi an wo wu egu ho saa. Ha? Ena me na me tonto mama wo. Ne ma tobi ama wo. Ne ma sa ama wo de odi bedidie. Ade memle.
Look, Yaba, if you take care of your grandchildren, what have you achieved? I don't know your grandchildren. It's my wife, not your only child. Am I not right? After all, I'm doing what you couldn't do. You should rather praise me. Now what bonia afi me jine me ho. Na me de ba akwa soso. No ma jime ba dudwan. Na se me ba jime ba dudwan a. Wakeka nkwase asem a kire me.
Na me preso ana. Kill. Ah? Kill sa me preso. Wa hwe ni ye? Hwe ni TV o de to. Ya. Won nanti di se double wo kwa no yesi hu. Na wo wa na o mse sa na so ma be yo.
Ya, na ya sem na wo kana sa.
No, ma mitumba fo.
Nim se wonim nyansa kakra chen de wo ye. Enkwada mienu na ehia na omo pese omo ware a. Nante e wo nante de esi mu sen.
Me na me de me ba. Ana me se wo be o ya pase.
Okay, you can see me uncle.
I have no explanation to give. I have told you that no man is qualified to marry my daughter. Hey, my friend, what? Ubanwa, onama no baba na ha mu say you know. And open me banu awade. Nene ke ba say.
Mama nka jo se hu na wo ka no. Obani nti na meme ngwa ye no. Wo prio ono an mewa no. Me na mka kiro. Me tua.
Wo be ma wa kwa say you we.
Obani sika no de aduane ma onu mfa kwesa.
Efiri nkwara abremu baba ne pe wo. Obi ana dwum de ho bie no mama ba wa.
Ya busa abani said no akoda he.
O ja asem.
Me nya basem. Me wa no wa ngusa me wa no. Ufi o hana na pampa bu anu. Me ba wo nkwara e wonu ama wa fe na.
Wo jiji ni o. Yaba, I don't agree with you. You married from this village. So why can't you allow your daughter to also marry somebody from this village? Hey, useless man of all. Keep quiet. If men are talking, I don't expect you to talk.
Me oba.
Yes, because you waste food.
Me oba.
Why go bada?
You can't say that.
I can
say
you
marry your own daughter.
I say you marry your own.
Look, you can't force him to take your advice.
Yes.
You can't force him to take your advice. But I prefer he chooses somebody from home. So that if anything happens, we can settle it amicably at home. But if he won't listen to your advice, just leave him alone. After all, the actual length of a frog is determined only when it is dead.
I fear na me hu me kwase ase. Na enka esese biti o therefore any mpanyimfo no. Na ka me de o ma akwaje eba no. Anye yie wono de kwade wo yosifo. Ondi se wo yi a ko yiseni. Ya na ti ase ma wo ka kire me.
Everything will be all right.
Kwame, I have no objection to Nana Prempe's proposal. But I have to discuss it with my parents. If they give me the go-ahead,
do you think they will agree? Because I'm a little bit more worried. More especially your mother.
Let me see you.
Come on, get back inside the house and finish your work.
Move your sandals. Sit down. My daughter, what brought you here?
Nana, please, it's my husband and his daughter. We've been married for a long time and we've struggled together for a very long time. Now, I hear that he wants to give her all his property when he dies. So I want you to kill them for me.
You said I should kill them?
Yes, Nana.
Hey! My daughter, you see, that girl is not an ordinary human being. As I said, it won't be easy. It will demand you pay more. And if you are be able to pay more, I can do what you want.
Yes, Nana.
Shade.
Awoya brought the kente cloth to me. It's mine and I'm not giving it to you.
Awoya brought it to me. She told me she gave it to you to keep it for me because I wasn't seen.
Aku, when will you give your sister the respect she deserves?
Mommy, I would say the kente cloth was mine. She didn't say it's hers.
Do you realize the child is older than you? Why are you so greedy? The cloth belongs to her, period.
Oh, Mommy.
Who is your mother? She's not your mother. Your mother is dead.
Mommy and a child. Let me tell you. The Nyankopon ehira no no. Onipa ntumi nse no. Onyankopon ono aso rodi ajanka asema no. Nka hwe. Rade masema ya mobo. Me mama. Me mama be fame. Papa be fame na me pray. It's not happy to me. Yeah, Rade. Oh, mommy. The mommy I saw. I can't say my mobo. I can't say my mobo. I come in my room. Mommy said my bed family why me patcho. I can't take it anymore. Mommy! Mommy! Mommy, look at what has happened to my left hand. Boils.
Oh, these are ordinary boils. Any boil medicine can cure it.
Mommy, this is not ordinary boils. I can't even raise my hand. It's very painful.
So I said I shall buy medicine for it. Or what do you want me to do about it?
Mama, I've seen one lady by name Aku. I learned she's the daughter of the late Openyina Dai and Mami Aso.
My son, the late Openyina Dai was a very good man, but I will have to find out.
Okay, Mami.
Ata, what do you think we can do now?
This disease ignores the sanctions of the tradition. I suggest we hide her from the public.
For how long can we hide her?
It's a problem.
Be careful you don't fall down here. You see, it was that is the reason why I've been telling you to follow advice every time. I've been talking to you, and that is even the main reason why we came here to do this discussion.
I see.
You see, and finally, you must choose a lady who is good looking, respectful, and hardworking. someone who merits to be called Odefo's wife when you assume the throne.
Thank you, Odefo.
And I hear Santo wants to take a wife too.
Yes, Odefo. I heard it myself, but I didn't actually believe it.
Then I know this festival is going to be something I've never seen before.
Aku, stop crying. I will do everything possible to cure this disease.
Look at me now. Just look at me. It's getting worse every day. Come on,
Don't talk like that, Aku. God is with you. He will perform his miracle on you one day. I'm taking you to stay with me. Get up. Let's go.
come and sit down. Sit down here. Are you saying none of those beautiful girls met your standards? Do you want to wait for another year? Do you know what it means? If I die today, you don't qualify to be the next king because you don't have a wife as custom demands.
But therefore, not that none of those girls met my standard. I met one girl they call Aku. She's my choice. I don't know why she failed to attend to the festival. I learned she's the daughter of the late Openyadai.
Openyadai? The late Openyadai? I will not tolerate this behavior any longer. Judas and you, Yaba, did it. We cannot allow our beautiful women to be married to outsiders. No! Why can't Ata allow Aku to be the king's wife? Ajay?
Therefore,
go and call me Judas, the disciplinary committee chairman, immediately.
You're therefore.
Ata! Hey! Yeah! Hey! Ata yeah. Masusu, Minister Simon Babetupo. I jam in for convention. La Blessoko convention.
I'm a fee.
Said Jamaica, uno penny. Number Bintra. You. Oh, Davida, what have you just again? And I'm as we yeah. Look, Winnie. Young come from ma. Well, one went to Croto United. Yeah. Wait, as we get them, then. Therefore, this man.
My Bonibiana.
Oh, Bonibianim. Boninim. No more your problem, Basso. Hey, Nazani, young. Send you to me. Oh, prefer my Naja Quablaliba. More Quablaliba. More than that. More preparable, more preparable. Move Papa, Nina, therefore, cancel it for cancel the meeting. Omo quiet. Yes, young, near Boabasso. The China Pano is here. Yes, Zebra. Near no Como. Yeah, Boabasso. Yeah, yo, Yabra, and your number call. Oh, yo, nah, and yet, Nan Comoca crowd. Yeah. Be best that's the one I do. The view. Oh, Nana Santi Menka. Hey, my ass awful. Hey, me jolly man, I do. I have a man, maybe Jow. Why? Yeah, attack. Yeah, Obika coming in. Oh, why? Oh, yes, ma. Yo, yeah. Oh, yes, now. I am a drow. You, I am a drow. Oh, the mamma drow. Yeah. I order. We were down, I order. Never down to be a
Ata, could you please explain to this house why you did not allow Aku to attend the festival? Or have you given her to somebody else outside the village?
Nananom, it's not like that. Aku has developed a strange disease. She's got boils all over her left hand, and we were afraid if you see it, you'll banish her from the village.
You are lying. When Ade died, I came to your house. I saw Aku and nothing was wrong with her. I wonder why you have hated the girl since infancy. Why? Ata, why?
Kwaje. Tiena Nasunti. Se pompo na abono, se de be na ye no, se ko ha na abono, onko fele me fia, ne yina ye wu.
Or therefore, what I'm saying is the gospel truth. Since she developed the disease, she does not even live with me. She stays with her grandmother, AGYA.
So, if she comes here, and what you are saying is not true, what should we do to you?
Or therefore, Me can nanum in tam kese say me Dimitri di akyerema.
Therefore, oba ni tiri modi. Me kan papa na obetumi akun wansan. Ye man ne kwan obekum wansan.
Wo ba be saw di tiri di akyerema. Abra ye me ba kura ye ntumi fi tiri ye. Nye wo ka no. Ye sempa.
Ajay,
or therefore,
go to AGYA and inform her to produce Aku tomorrow, the Akwesi die, or else her head will be used to pacify the angry gods.
Consider it done. AGYA. AGYA. Yes, you are here. Awo Mechiao.
Yeah, Aaron.
Or therefore has ordered you to produce Aku at tomorrow's Akwaside's festival. Else you'll be made to pacify the gods.
Onyame betre. I'll bring her.
Fine. We'll see you tomorrow.
Things for you.
Thank you very much.
And if we don't produce her, they'll kill us all.
What do you suggest then?
Just don't tell her anything. Then on the D-Day, we'll just produce her.
Okay.
Radinate. Atena masema yabose. Oh mame. Mame. Mame, what do you say when? Mame, do you say when you Rade? Papa, Papa. Papa. Abi mecheme na masama ya mobo. Masama ya mobo mami uwe he. Mami mecheme na ya mobo mobo. Raja. Dear Lord. I cannot take this pressure anymore. I've never seen happiness all my life. Enough is enough. I'm going home. Very no word yet. Penina Mo.
My dear Aku, don't take your life. Your life does not belong to you. The Lord has heard your voice. You will receive your healing now. Do not be afraid. Receive.
Ago.
Amen.
Ochame.
Therefore.
Ma aku. Any ata embra mani.
Obata said therefore see no no. Oso ne oba aku mumbra nanim ha.
Ochame.
Therefore.
Manento aku say. Eye mia me wa fase. Nana prempe. Ɔsi kurom ha nyinaa ɔno nko ani abaya. N'ani gye ne ho. A ɔpɛ sɛ ɔne ne tena. Nanso ne maame se ɔwaa na nyɛ yie. Efi sɛ sɛbi ne nsa aporo. Na ɛnna aku ankasa abegyina he. Epɛ sɛ ɔpɛ mu ka. Na me manfo atwakyɛ mu ha nyinaa ɔmo ti bi. Na sɛ ɛyɛ ampapo sɛ ne nsa ne te saa. Esane me wɔfa aseɛ no ho donti. Ɛde bɛkyɛ no menka ho hwee.
Ezio. Yo, Obaku said the therefore see no no. What say? Ɛyɛ ɔno a ne wɔfa ase nana prempe. Krom ha nyinaa. Ɛma ebu ha nyinaa wo ɔne ɔba na ni da wo so. Sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde wo yɛ ne yere. Nanso said the ɔmaame sie no. Ɔware wa enye ye esan sɛ sabi ugina hɔ yi onsa apro. Iti therefore say me ma no nto sɛ edomo atwa hyia wa nyinaa ehwɛ sɛ yɛ no kura ka
mo obi anti sanya no kra so a ka mo obi anti sempo saya no kra enam ne wo faase no ho donti o de bechew ti obaku asuma o therefore etio
therefore me back so enyampa
yo o therefore say the obaku sia no o say enya no kra
Achami.
o therefore
Manin to ata say sana ne ba ne sie na o ho asem benka
ezio obata say the oba ne sia no o therefore say asem a wo ka wo ho no ka no otie
or therefore if it is not true let Aku remove her hand for everybody here to see.
Therefore say the obata ase no one you see the ogina na ogina eye no kre say Aku nsanye na sanya no kra Aku enyi ne nsa no mo bia enhwe
Achami.
Therefore
Manin to Aku say me say nensa no onji na amanfo a etwahiem ha nyina omo hwe se ne ete
ezio Obaku said the therefore say no what say won sano GPA na domo etwahie wo ha nyina obia aniwa nyina enhu
Afiata sayata uba wa utriso wanso an maguase wangu se wan maguase wodi nam mpatam ha saba fra ne sapro en say etu ho mu dia hin na apro afa wa hu sanse ba wo kan nyanya do kure aba friend say wo hoyi enya ni pansa wa hu be ya wo de kum ana ka pa so de ya bo frei wan say da dia nyame ayi so ntuma wan say ya woni mu na uka afre no ma ni nyina agye de se uko no wu ye nyina efi wa ba ifi nyame fa ba ni nchaw mra de mra da se mra da ruma me fa de nkware nkwaye ma no
abrafo na mo fa ta anko
na me
mo fa ni ko onu ana so de ti beja se mo fa ni ko
let him ni cha mo fa ni ko
mo fa ni ko ni ba na wi asin ye ni ba woni samsa Achami.
Therefore,
Manin to me man for say.
Ezio.
Esani Aku seni an insanity enti.
Ezio.
Efi enedue eko.
Ezio.
Ni din Aku no.
Ezio.
Ya be frɛ no Aku Sika.
Ezio. Yo, nananom ni amanfo amatwahia. Said the therefore say no. What say? A sign said the Aku ne nsane sitienti shine ti se ko Sika enti efri na ekọ ni din Aku no ya be frɛ no Aku Sika
nana prempe pati menim kofaye
oh brefo no ade afa dear.